Now, this isn't just a house, it's another level of beauty. Right here in Orchid Lekki, Lagos, we would be inspecting this 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex with a swimming pool, a BQ. The kitchen has lots of amenities that you need to live comfortably. Now, I came in here and I was literally screaming when I saw this house. It was love at first sight, and I'm very certain that you would love this house. Now, one of the things that really makes this house stand out for me is the fact that it is very close to the entrance of the estate, which means that it is accessible. The living area is spacious, the kitchen, all of the rooms are spacious. So if you have a large family or you want a property that is, if you're big on space, then this is definitely the right property for you. It is in the market for 530 million naira with a title of governor's consent. Now, in a couple of seconds, you know how we do it. I'll flip this camera. We would tour this property. We'll first have a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like. Then we'll move around this compound so you get to see the surroundings. Then we'll go inside and have a detailed tour of the interior of this house. But before we get into that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. It is such a delight to grace your screen today. My name is Victoria Chizoba Duraku, and I'll be your guide through today's tour. Also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. We have such a beautiful family here on YouTube that we're growing together, and I would really love to welcome you into that family. So do not leave without subscribing. And just in case this doesn't fit into what you want, either it is above your budget or it is below your budget, we also have other properties in different locations. Some of them come with installment payment plan. We have lands, we have commercial properties. Just tell us what you want, tell us the location you want, and we'll definitely get you something very credible. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I flip this camera and we tour this property together while I give you more information about it. Welcome home. All right, welcome back, beautiful people. Now, this right here is the unit we would be inspecting. This one here, you can see we have just 2 units available, and here is a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like. You can see the road is interlocked. They have good drainage system here, and down there is where we have the entrance to the estate, like a 2 minutes drive from here. And here's a better view at the neighborhood. All right, so let's begin to explore. We're going to move around the building first. This is a better view of what the structure looks like. So before we go in, we'll first move around it so that we'll see what the surrounding looks like. Now, this is the size of the compound space, and this can take up to three cars, and you can still have enough space to move around. 3 cars conveniently. I don't want to say 4 cars, although depending on the size, but I know it will fit 3 cars conveniently. And you can see that we have some plants around the house that gives it this beautiful look. It enhances its aesthetics, you can see. And we have security lights around the house. All right, so let's begin to explore. Let's go this way and then we'll come out the other way. So the walkway to the back of the house from this side is not super spacious. Two people cannot walk beside each other at the same time. Yes, because this is where I'm standing and you just have only this space. All right. Now there's a CCTV in front. I didn't show you that. That's the CCTV right there. Okay. There's a tap here, and then there's another CCTV up here. So this right here is where we have the swimming pool, and this is the size of it. It also has a water fountain, but because it's not on, so we can't see that. You can see we still have some security lights right to this angle. There's also another CCTV right here. Now the walkway by this side is more spacious than the one we came in from. For this one, two people can walk side by side each other at the same time. And this right here is the BQ. The BQ is locked. All right. And that's because we have some things inside the BQ. That's why it's locked. Okay, so we've successfully moved from the building. Now let's go in to see what we have inside. There's also another tap right here. Now you can see that the door has a smart lock. So if you don't want to use the manual lock, you can just put a code on it. So we are in now. Um, Before we begin to explore the living area, let's see what we have here. And this is like the ante right here. And then this right here is the guest room. The guest room is also spacious. I want you to take note of the size of the guest room, how spacious it is. And it has a TV console, which is not even the regular because most guest rooms they don't come with TV console. Unfortunately, the toilet and bath for the guest room is locked, but definitely when you come for inspection, you get to see it. It's probably because they have some possessions inside of it. And then next at this angle is the guest toilet right here, which is also spacious. All right, now let's begin to explore the full size of the living area. This is the full size of it from this angle right here. I'll show it to you from different angles. And then this is your wine section right here. You see there's an inbuilt speaker here. And we have really beautiful chandeliers and lightnings in this room. This is the size of it from this angle. Okay, we also have this right here. And we have quite a number of windows here. So you can be sure of proper ventilation in this house. So you can just have your artificial plants, you put them at this angle right here. And I want you to take a look at the TV console in the living area. This is not, it is screaming luxury. It is not the basic ones you get. I love the lightnings and all of that. It really makes it look so luxurious. And take a look at that beautiful chandelier up there. We also have inbuilt speakers right here. You see inbuilt speakers right here. Okay, let's keep going. And then to this angle, we have this really nice chandeliers. Just take a look. And there's also a CCTV right here. So let's see the full size of it again from this angle here. Okay. And then right here, this is not the main kitchen. This is the main kitchen. So we have this right here. You see, there's a microwave, there's an oven. We still have in the main kitchen as well. You have this wash and basin here, and you have this tabletop gas burner right here, and quite some cabinetries here for storage. All right. So let's see the main kitchen itself. There's also a CCTV camera right in the kitchen, and then this is the full size of it before we begin to explore. This is the full size of the main kitchen. You have enough space to move around, and that gives you access outside the kitchen. So we have a washing machine right here. We have this wash and basin, um, an extractor right here, and there's going to be a gas burner here. It's going to be fixed, so it's coming with it. And we have this kitchen island right here that has a washing basin in it. We have inbuilt speakers here as well, and we have a microwave and oven here. Remember, we have one outside there as well. And there's also a refrigerator right here. Okay, and quite a number of cabinetries here for storage. Okay, so we're done with everything downstairs here. So let's go upstairs and see what we have right over there. So this is where you can have your dining area. I didn't mention that's just by the kitchen here for your dining area. Okay, let's go upstairs. So there's this beautiful design by the wall here that gives it a beautiful look. And you can see that we have motion sensor lights just by the staircase. And the staircase is also wide. Two people can literally walk side by side at the same time. because it is quite wide and very solid too. So let me give you a view of it from here. Then also see this design by the wall. This is a very beautiful house. Oh my God, I love what I'm seeing here. This is the family lounge, and I love this TV console we have here. It is not irregular. Here's the size of the family lounge, spacious enough. And one of the things you can be sure of in this house is ventilation. It will be well ventilated because we have quite a number of windows here. So have a better look at the TV console. You see, it is not the regular, and these chandeliers are so beautiful. We have inbuilt speaker up here. All right, so let's begin to explore. Let's start from this room. Now we've seen one room downstairs. So this is the second room, and this is how spacious the room is. And the good thing is that it also has a TV console just right here. And there's this wardrobe that is bigger than the ones we have in the regular rooms. And then over here is where we have the toilet and bath. Now, for those who do not know where Orchid is, let me give you a good description coming from the Lekki axis. Orchid is right after Chevron and before Ikota is where we have Orchid. And it is a very good neighborhood to settle in. They have good drainage system. It is not a place that is prone to flooding where this property is. It's not prone to flooding, good drainage system. And like I said, it is very close to the entrance, the estate gate, less than a 3 minutes drive, say 2 minutes from the estate gate. You see, there's also another TV console here, which is a very good thing. The rooms come with TV console and not only the master's bedroom. 530 million naira, 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex with swimming pool and BQ. Now we only have 2 units available. So if at the end of the video you love what you see, kindly contact us immediately before it gets sold out. Only 2 units available. And you know how finished houses are, they get sold out really fast. So if you love what you see, give us a call. Do not let someone else buy this property before you do. All right. This is room 3. And also notice how the toilet and bath are also spacious enough. You see, it's not those ones where you will not have space to move around. Okay, let's see the 4th room. This house is screaming your name. Okay, we've seen 3 rooms now. We've seen 4 rooms now, sorry. 1 room downstairs, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now the 5th room, which is the master's bedroom. Have a look at this design on the wall. And the view from here as well. Just 2 units available. If you love what you see, give us a call right away. I love the color of this house. I just love the color, their color selection. It blends well and it gives it this cozy feeling. Okay, so this is the master's bedroom, and here's the full size of the master's bedroom from this angle right here. This is the full size of it. And then we have inbuilt speakers here. We have this really beautiful chandelier right here. And we have this mirror right here. Okay. And this is also the TV console. It's similar to the one we have in the family lounge, not the regular. Beautiful people, start dialing my number immediately if you're a lover of luxury. This house is screaming your name. This is the wardrobe area right here. 530 million naira with the title of governor's consent. Only 2 units available. Only 2 units. And remember, I said that if this is either above your budget or below your budget, we also have other properties that you can buy lesser than this price, and we have the ones that are above this price in this same estate and in other estates. We also have land selling, we have commercial properties. Just reach out to us, tell us what you want, and we'll definitely get you something nice. Let's see the balcony and then we'll end this video. If you've watched this video to this point, this is me saying a very big thank you. Please do not leave without subscribing to our channel. We would love to have you as part of the amazing family we have right here on YouTube. Now here is the view of the balcony right here. This is the size of it, and then what the neighborhood is like. Thank you for watching this video till the end. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen. So I come your way next time. My name is Victoria. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.